Welcome to the Fab 4's Open Fender Installation Guide video series for the 2019 and 2020 Ram 25 and 3500. In this video, we will go over the template mounting and cutting process for the front and rear fenders. The Open Fender system is for professional installation only. Careless installation and/or operation can result in serious injury, death, and/or equipment damage. All liability for installation and use rests with the user or consumer. Apply the DS-FEN1 template to the driver's side front fender by first aligning the front section with the blue dashed line to the bottom of the fender near the bumper. Then align the rounded blue dashed line area of the template with the wheel well edge. Next, apply the DS-FEN2 template to the driver's side front fender, beginning with the puzzle piece section at the right side of the DS-FEN1. Then work the blue dashed line along the wheel well opening, continuing into the stamped body line running horizontal on the fender and ending at the door jamb. Finish the application by working the template upwards away from the wheel opening. Apply the DS-FEN5 template to the bed along the forward edge of the wheel well. Begin by aligning the hole in the template with the hole left from removing the bolt that attaches the stiffener to the bedside. Then, work the template edge with the dashed blue line along the wheel well opening until you reach the other hole in the template. Align this hole with the hole in the return flange of the wheel well. Finally, work the template away from the dashed blue line. Apply the DS-FEN6 template to the bed along the rearward edge of the wheel well. Begin by aligning the two slotted cutouts in the bottom of the template with the slotted holes in the bottom of the bedside. Then align the blue dashed line with the wheel well edge towards the hole in the top of the template. Align the hole in the top of the template with the hole in the wheel well return flange. Finally, work the template away from the blue dashed line. Using painter's tape, apply at least 3 layers of tape to the forwardmost part of the front door. We will now begin cutting from the front fender template. Using a small reciprocating saw, cut along the red dashed line of the DS-FEN1 template. Then continue cutting onto the red dashed line of the DS-FEN2 template. Always cut on the side of the excess material because corrections can still be made after the initial cuts have been made. Using a flap disc wheel or an angle grinder, remove any sharp edges along the cut area. Now move to the rear fender. Using a small reciprocating saw, cut along the inside of the red dashed line of the DS-FEN5 template leaving the red dashed line on the vehicle when the cut is finished. Follow through until excess fender material is fully removed. Next, use a small reciprocating saw to cut along the inside of the red dashed line of the DSFEN6 template, again leaving the red dashed line on the vehicle when the cut is finished. You can now remove all of the fender cut templates from the body of the truck. Using a flap disc wheel or an angle grinder, remove any sharp edges along the cut area. Now that your fender cuts are complete, you can move on to the template mounting and cutting the rocker channel and body mount.